What's up, everybody? It's another prep time before we head out to our favorite place. I'm not sure if we're going to hit Boca or SPI, but likely SPI. We never know what's going on with Elon Musk territory, so...
Oh, it's closed.
To save ourselves some grief, we'll be taking our new route. But before we do, I have a little bit of maintenance to do on some lighting here on Samson. So, let's get to it. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Trey. As you can see, we are replacing the front bumper lights. Our original buy. And we'll also be replacing 2 of the clamps for our spot fires. There's also some wiring in the back that we got to take care of for some of the other lights that we have. Some work lights that go under the bumper, and also the truck bed light, the truck bed lighting kit that they have. So we'll have all that done before we head out today. We briefly went over the unboxing and put it on some of our social media, but today you get the install. A little cheating, I'm going to use these harnesses for something else. First I got to cut the kit that we have here in front of us. We purchased at our local Walmart. It's the Spot Roamer LED kit. It comes with its own hardware, mounting hardware. So keep watching. We'll speed up some of this stuff, and we'll voice over some of it, and we'll put some other stuff on the screen for y'all, so check them out. Comes with its own switch, its own wiring, and since we have a pair already on here, we're just gonna unclip from the lights at the main connector, and we're gonna plug these in. Shouldn't have any problem with that. You'll also see us work on some lights that we have under the bumper at the rear of Samson for some lighting, all around lighting. They are also from Alpena. We really like their stuff. When we got the first stuff that we have from them, we kept on getting and equipping Samson with more of their products, and they've worked out well for us. If you give them a try, I'm pretty sure they'll work out well for you. If I had the money to spend for other products, I still might not do that and utilize those funds for something else, because these lights have worked just fine for us for over a year. Give ourselves about a foot of red wire, a little bit more. Thank you. Do the same with our ground. A little bit more than a foot, but not too much. Well, we got about 3/4 of, no, maybe half of what we wanted done. We did get these lights working. Just need to zip them up. Got one on the other side too. For some reason these lights aren't working, and I didn't have time to change out the clamps. But we're pretty much packed up. We're gonna just fill in the back of Samson and get on the road.
Freaking killer knife. I had to turn my Hulk to the other side because I like to record in, what is this? Not portrait.
In landscape. I've never been on live television before.
Well, apparently.
I've never been on live television before.
Early. I've never been on the news before.
I don't watch the news.
Oops. And then you squeeze this thing in there. It's easy to in the way.
Nah.
Or do you want to put it on that side?
Yeah, I think so, I guess. Hold it.
Ow.
Oh. So here we go. We are about to install these Marvel Hug Buddy phone holders sent to us by Alpena Automotive.
Thank you, Alpena, for...
Hope you guys enjoy this.
Right? That's what it's called?
Yep. Thanks. My hug buddy, wherever I drive, he holds my phony, big phony.
Yep. You burned yourself.
Alright. Let's get out of here.
We should do outtakes at the end.
But I'm catching ta-da!
Thank you, Alpena, for your support. We appreciate you.